I'm going to tell you how to find raw colostrum quick in the United States. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to realmilk.com. You want to get the 3 or 4 states closest to you. And then you want to go ahead and cut and paste all the names in those 3 or 4 states. You go ahead and then start cold calling these people. Don't be shy. Cold call these people. They're going to help you get better. They're going to help be your colostrum connect. Go ahead and quit, right? Just, you got to go after it. So you get the list, start cold calling. If they don't pick up, leave a message and say, hey, I'm looking for raw milk. My name is Matt, and please call me back, and they will call you back. You don't want to say, hey, I'm looking for raw colostrum. You want to say, I'm looking for raw milk. Create a template you're going to send by text message if they don't pick up. Hey, this is Matt. I was reaching out about the raw milk. I found you on realmilk.com. Please get in touch when you can. And then they will reach back out to you. They'll say, hey, I'm looking to sell you raw milk. They'll send you a text. They'll call you. And you say, guess what, buddy? I'm looking for colostrum. Do you have colostrum? I'll buy it from you. I'll pay 20 bucks a gallon, whatever, and see what they're willing to do. If they're willing to save it for you, a lot of these farms have 100 cows. They're just throwing this stuff away. They have more than they can use. And if you can be able to get just one source, okay, and be able to get 8, 10 gallons that you buy at once, you could buy a freezer and put it in and be able to have enough. The stuff stays good frozen, and just keep calling and calling until you find someone. I had a list of, I'm based out of Florida. I had a list of, 40, 50 farms I could call in Georgia, just in Georgia. And then there's South Carolina, and there is Alabama, and whatever. But the reality is, in my tri-state area, out of Florida, out of Ohio, out of these places, I could always find tons of farmers on that list. You just got to cold call. You got to be able to explain in detail what you're trying to accomplish. And if they say, hey, what are you using this for? You could say it's for pet consumption if you want to. You could go that route. Or you could simply say, hey, listen, I'm doing it for myself. I had some health issues, and, I hope that's no issue. If the people are Amish, they're usually really cool. They're usually willing to go ahead and do something, even if it's not necessarily legal in that state. But the reality is you do want to just call as many people as you can. Now, using colostrum, I want to go ahead and point out, you don't want to just start drinking tons of colostrum and expect everything to get better. It doesn't really work that way. Though it can in some situations, it doesn't work that way all the time. You want to be able to increase more plants. You want to be eating meat twice a day and then have colostrum. That's way too many animal fats, way too many animal products, and that will lead you to bigger problems. So instead, you want to do things like fruits, rice, potatoes, beans if you can tolerate them, vegetables, things like that. Eliminate the dairy, eggs, nuts, seeds, gluten, too much meat, processed foods, etc., and focus on eating the right diet to support the colostrum. The colostrum you want to consume like every other day, 8 ounces max every other day, maybe 10 ounces max every other day. But you want to start off with about 4 ounces. Make sure you blend it up pretty good. If you need to, you can blend it in a blender. And first thing in the morning, empty stomach. Never consume it with any food near it. Always empty stomach first thing in the morning. Give it about 90 minutes and then start eating. That's going to be the best way to do it. And start off with something fibrous like an apple or some fruit of some sort, something simple, and then work your way into a meal with starch and vegetables and some oil and things like that. That's basically what I want to tell you about finding colostrum. You can find it. If you have any questions about it, reach out to me. I've drank more colostrum than anybody on this entire earth, thousands of gallons. Look at me, I'm completely healthy. I'm 42 years old and looking great, feeling great. So thanks for watching, everybody. Go to my website, endsickness.org, for more information. I got hundreds of articles, hundreds of videos on there. So thanks for watching.